Monday here, your favorite fashion broadcaster. And today we're going to be doing a little what to wear. I feel like this outfit is a bit basic, so it needs a something, you know, an accessory or something. She's giving a bit loud, she's giving a bit of a cheetah. I don't like her, you know, but what I'm thinking is I have the perfect piece that would put this outfit together and make it a showstopper, but imo washing. So let me grab that quickly, put it in the wash real quick, so I know that tonight when I go to the club, get that back in. I have a little question for you divas. Would you like to hit the runway with me? That's what I thought. Now let's get it.